The top manufacturers of original smartwatches and headphones are back with a new upgrade for the Haylou RS series, called the Haylou RS4 Plus, as well as its enhanced version of the Haylou RS4. Haylou is one of the numerous sub-brands of the ecosystem of the Chinese juggernaut Xiaomi. The smartwatch's appearance has been updated, and newer hardware and functionality have been added. With its 1.78-inch AMOLED display, which is one of the largest among budget smartwatches on the market, customization of watch faces, health and fitness functions like heart rate monitoring, blood pressure monitoring, 105 multi-sport modes, and IP68 waterproof. You get all of this with a stylish appearance for an average cost of no more than $60. So let's take a look at how it performs. The Haylou RS4 Plus smartwatch, which is similar to the Haylou RS4 and follows in the steps of the Apple Watch, has a square appearance that looks very clean and elegant in black, and is appropriate for both men and women. It has a smooth 2D curved glass and a metal frame with a brushed finish, giving it the appearance of an expensive watch, which it actually is. Additionally, there is a menu button and a single on-off button. Overall, the body is thin and light, constructed of a high-quality aluminum alloy, measuring 45mm in diameter and 10.4mm in thickness. It weighs only 55 grams, making it pleasant to wear on the wrist. There is nothing unusual about the back, just a plastic cover with magnetic charging ports and the sensor. The silicone quick-release strap has a magnetic fastening, is lightweight, and fits comfortably around your wrist for extended use. Since it is detachable and comes in black, silver, and gold, you may use any 20mm strap, but you can also purchase a separate metal or leather strap. One of the best features of the Haylou RS4 Plus smartwatch is the sort of screen it has. The RS4 Plus sports an AMOLED display with a 1.78-inch size, which makes it the largest among all the cheap smartwatches with AMOLED screens we've evaluated so far, in contrast to other budget smartwatches that have a TFT panel. Because it has a resolution of 368 by 448 pixels and a 60Hz high refresh rate, it continues to optimize the user experience. This makes it more beautiful in the hand than most round smartwatches that are presently available. The glass is 2.5D curved to display richer content and details. In terms of size and resolution, it's unquestionably one of the greatest screens in a budget smartwatch. Even the sharpness of the colors and brightness are excellent, so you won't be startled by them when wearing them outside in the sun. The always-on display feature also functions for the first time, can be turned on from the settings, and awakens the screen. Since it occupies a huge portion of the interface and has narrow sides, this style of screen is actually my favorite and can only be found in more expensive smartwatches. In contrast, other low-cost smartwatches have touchscreens that are placed in the middle of the display and have rather wide sides. If you're sick of the system's default dial background, the Haylou RS4 Plus smartwatch comes with 10 pre-installed watch faces that you can quickly switch between by long pressing on the home screen or by downloading the Haylou Fun app, which offers access to over 100 additional watch faces. These watch faces can be customized with a variety of colors, retro, analog, 3D, and digital faces, as well as your own photos as a watch face background or any wallpaper. The Haylou RS4 Plus smartwatch has IP68 waterproofing, which means you may wear it when washing your hands or on wet days. However, the watch is not approved for swimming, so I do not suggest doing so to prevent any damage. I also do not advocate exposing it to hot water or salt water. However, I prefer to dry the watch after submerging it in water, and before operating it, so that it stays with you for as long as possible, if it's exposed to water in any way, whether it's long-term or short-term. In terms of performance, the Haylou RS4 Plus smartwatch utilizes a built-in chip for quicker response times and data processing. For your health, this wearable gadget contains a low-power dynamic optical heart rate sensor, so it regulates your motion at all times, and looks out for you all day. This watch supports calls using Bluetooth 5.1. Because it is the fastest and most stable, you won't experience any issues during touch. Additionally, this version works with iOS 10.0 and after, as well as Android 5.0 and later, so the connection is made via the Haylou Fun app. It lacks a GPS sensor, though, so you will always need to use a smartphone in conjunction with it to determine your whereabouts. Your style claims that the Haylou RS4 Plus offers different user interface actions, including a cellular model and 360 degrees unrestricted smooth sliding, and that its operating system is quite similar to those of Xiaomi's products. A total of 105 multi-sport modes, including fast walking, climbing, spinning, yoga, indoor running, gymnastics, basketball, football, rowing, and cycling, are available on the Haylou RS4 Plus smartwatch to meet all of your needs. Additionally, it can capture exercise data in real time, allowing you to monitor and enhance your athletic performance. In addition to the sports features, the RS4 Plus has 4 optical heart rate sensors built in. With the help of a professional intelligent heart rate algorithm, you can check your heart rate in real time to see if it is beating normally. You can also check your sleep patterns by analyzing your total time spent in light, deep, and wakeful sleep, as well as your blood pressure and oxygen levels in the blood. Although this smartwatch has a good sensor that is more accurate than other sensors, this does not imply that the measurements it provides are entirely accurate. In fact, most of them are largely unreliable because it is not a medical device, but it does make you more aware of your health and physical performance. Sadly, with watches in this price level, this is frequently the case. The Haylou Fun app for Android and iOS works with the Haylou RS4 Plus smartwatch to make setting up and using the watch easier. With the exception of the fundamental features that fit this watch with a reasonably smooth performance, it is sadly not the best and cannot compete with Samsung, Amazfit or Huawei apps. You may download the app safely because it is available through the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. You can use some features, stats, and functions without any additional equipment, such as steps taken, sleep hours, and heart rate measurements that you have taken, by automatically integrating watch data on the home screen with the application after logging in and selecting the RS4 Plus device. The watch is connected to the application after we select our profile to make the correct measurements. By using a straightforward and simple operating interface, you can also create workout objectives and motivate yourself to achieve the recommended amount of activity each day. Additionally, with a straightforward and simple to understand operational interface with sections for steps, distance, alerts, alarm, and more, create exercise objectives and motivate yourself to achieve your daily activity requirement. With a capacity of 230 mAh, the Haylou RS4 Plus smartwatch delivers a respectable battery that is regarded as the best in this category and provides up to 10 days of battery life. However, this is accomplished by reducing the heart monitor's activity and disabling notifications among other functions. In any case, the RS4 Plus promises us at least 7 days of continuous usage, with alerts and heart rate tracking enabled, and it charges through the magnetic charger in around 2 hours. Let's accept that some of us believe the price of the wristwatch is a little high, but if an AMOLED screen is vital to you, you will definitely appreciate it. Additionally, there's an incredible IP68 water resistance. With these features, you won't find a smartwatch with such high prices. The price will always be this high in a budget smartwatch, therefore the Haylou RS4 Plus is a worthy recommendation if you want to purchase a smartwatch that is both stylish and sporty. Thank you for watching this review. I hope it was useful for you. Have a nice day and see you soon.